Alright, so today we are going to be looking at Google Drive and how to open a folder and store things. So, as you can see, I'm open here on just a normal Google search page. What you should be logged into your Google account. As you can see, I am over here. What we will be doing is there will be a box right here with like little dots. You're just going to want to click on that, and when you do, lots of things will pop up. But what you're going to want to go to is the Drive button here. Everybody with a Google account has a Google Drive, so don't worry, you have one. So you'll just click on this here and it'll take you to your Google Drive. As you can see, I already have folders and I already have things like that. In order to make a folder, all you have to do is go over here to New. You'll click on that and you'll see a folder button here. So what you do is you just click on that folder button and this will pop up here for you to create a new folder. Now as you can see, I already have a folder here for EDCI 270. When you create it, it'll pop up over here in the folders section. So if you click on this here, it'll show you all of your documents that you put in this folder. Now you may be wondering, how the heck do I put content into a folder? Well, let's say I want to make a new document here. So we'll make a new Google document and we'll just type something in here. Let's say EDCI is awesome. We'll title it and it will save. So you'll want to go back to your Google Drive tab, and as you can see, I have a document over here. It says it's untitled, but I definitely titled it. So then here you're just going to want to click and drag it into your folder. As you can see, all I did was just click on it and I dragged it over to your folder and you drop it in. And as you can see, when you click on your folder here, it will be there. See, EDCI is awesome. So that is how you create a new folder. Highly recommend having one. They're quite nice. This is where I have all the rest of my projects for this class as well. So that is all.